welcome back to another vlog. What are we doing today?
We're going to visit the biggest waterfall of Sweden.
Yeah, but that's just one of the 4 waterfalls we want to see today. So it will be a lot of driving, but totally worth it. We have special guests today with us.
Friends from Austria.
Say which hi. Interrupts us.
I'm Johanna.
Hello, I'm Alex.
Guys, after 2 hours and 15 minutes, we made it to the first waterfall. What's the name of it now?
Tännforsen.
There's a really cool bridge. We will go over that now.
The stream seems super strong.
That's freaking cool!
Would you say it's scary?
No, the bridge shakes a little bit, but that's totally fine. Worth it, the amazing view.
Parkour! There is a small rainbow. So now we're gonna follow this path that is gonna bring us to a lower part of the waterfall where we can see the waterfall from down. Parkour! So weird because we cannot hear each other talking. The sound of the waterfall is so strong.
Fucking crazy. Okay, we went like 5 or 10 minutes down and now we have the view to this amazing huge waterfall from down. It's much bigger than I expected. It's incredible, beautiful. I think we could just stay here the whole day, but we have so many other things to see on our list for today.
This is a muddy path.
Yeah, mamma mia, the car will be dirty. So cool that there is no one else, that it's maybe really more secret.
Okay, so first spot, how was it?
12 out of 10. Now we're driving to Norway because the border is just 10 minutes away, so why not?
So we arrived in Norway. The weather is shitty.
Oh, that smells so good. Plan was originally to eat outside at the river.
But we're gonna eat good.
Potatoes, green salad, tuna, kidney beans, corn, feta, and egg.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I like it.
We're idiots because we drove half an hour to eat in the car in Norway.
But we're in Norway.
Yeah, we see a lot.
I saw a kid getting his diaper changed.
So as you just saw, we were eating in the car, but it really stopped raining, which is the best right now. And yeah, the guys decided to stay in the car, but Johan and me, we were like, no, we need to go out. And I found a really nice spot. Look how cute it is. Here you have the lake, and here you have a table to sit. Look at that view, that's incredible. Look who's finally joining me because the sun came out. Schatz, of course you need to go a little bit hiking here in Norway as well.
Norvegia!
Norvegia. Now you can scream something into the wild.
Potatis! I decided to also join Christina for the exploration. Now we are in this crazy lake. Crazy Johanna is now
Going to swim.
going to swim. My mom always told me never go to swim after eating, especially if the water is cold.
Yeah, for sure it's cold. I think I should wait. Yeah, you.
I'm already cold for you. So it's not cold?
It's cold, but it's fine.
prize for that. I don't know what,
But I think it's enough now, guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, beautiful weather to swim also, I have to say. It's fucking black. Since you were a good swimmer, you get cinnamon roll.
This is so Swedish.
So we just arrived, we parked. We are here in Tännforsen. We are now taking something from the coffee shop. Super cute.
Enjoy, guys.
This is the largest waterfall of Sweden.
And now we will go and enjoy the waterfall.
We can also go this way to get a view from the platform. Photo shooting while getting wet. Yeah.
That view from down is so
Ah, I'm getting wet! How was it?
intense, beautiful, waterfall,
Waterfall.
cool.
Can you just tell me where is the next stop?
I don't know the name.
After driving just 10 minutes, we are at the next waterfall, which is called Tännforsen, but not as nearly as big as the other ones.
This is the smallest waterfall that we will visit today, but still worth it because it's straight on the way. So how old are you both?
I'm 25 and he's
27,
They
47.
they already have 2 kids.
No.
You want to tell us about your kids?
Our kids, our fluffy furry kids. We have 2 cats named Bams and Gnooms.
Bams.
One is very cute, the other one is a bitch
And stinky.
and stinky. But we love them both.
They're talking about cats if that wasn't clear. What do you like the most about Sweden?
You
You guys. Huh?
Oh!
and the nature and the waterfalls
Yes.
and the weather, because at home it's really hot and we enjoy the cold weather.
Yoo-hoo!
I hate it.
We made it!
Finally to the last waterfall. It's called Waterfalls. And now we bring some snacks to enjoy the view. Woohoo! Sweden, baby! So that's it for today. I hope you liked the vlog. Please let us know which of the 4 waterfalls that we visited you liked the most.
It was a really cool day. We're really happy about it. Very cool day.
Thanks for watching.
And
Bye! 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 Bye!